So I had a call earlier today with a friend of mine, and we were talking about some things that I thought was very, very relevant and pertinent to a video. So I wanted to make this for you to talk about some strategies and to kind of talk about the current state of crypto and opportunity, risks, and things of that nature. So here we go. All right. Here's the bad. I think that for the rest of August and into September, I don't think it's going to be a great time for crypto. I think we've got a lot more downside risk. There's people that I look at and follow. There's somebody over on Twitter. His name is Benjamin Cowan. Great technical analysis guy. He feels the same and has done a lot of TA technical analysis around this. And basically, I think August and September, not going to be great. The question is whether or not fourth quarter of 2023, October, November, December, whether or not the bull run's going to start. And there's a lot of open dialogue and discussion around this. So please stick with me to the end of the video because I got a lot to tell you, a lot to get to kind of walk you through. Because here's the thing, we are all in the same boat here in crypto. If you own any crypto assets, coins, tokens, you're in this boat. Okay. So here's the thing. Will the bull run turn back on in the fourth quarter? The answer is nobody knows. There's all speculation out there. There's people out there that talk about the fact that Bitcoin could go to 20,000 in the short term, and then we could hit 35,000 before the end of the year. We don't know. Here's why we don't know. We're living in unprecedented times. Crypto is being attacked every single day in one shape, form, or fashion, either by the SEC, the government, the mainstream media, who one day talk bad about it, the next day they talk great about it. All this kind of stuff, right? It's all out there. And then, oh, by the way, underpinning all that is the fear and uncertainty about our economy globally. Are we in a recession? Are we not? Is inflation going to go away or not? It's just simply costs more to go buy groceries, go buy gas, etc. It costs more to live, which creates fear and uncertainty, which means that people's choice to invest in crypto or stocks, their choice is going to be to not make a choice. Their choice is to be to minimize risk, and I'm going to hold on to those dollars and maybe stick them under my mattress, literally. Well, by the way, there's bank failures going on out there, right? There's a lot of bad out there. Now, this is not a doom and gloom video. This is a video talking about the fact of kind of what I see out there. Now, beyond that, moving into 2024, Bitcoin halving, massive. All the indicators is that Bitcoin's going to go north of 100,000, 120,000 in and around sometime adjacent to that Bitcoin halving. Again, nobody knows. Is it going to happen before? Is it going to happen 2 months after? Is it going to happen right around? For all the reasons I just named that happen for the fourth quarter reasons, all that uncertainty and all that stuff that's swirling, this is a very unique Bitcoin halving because Bitcoin and crypto has grown up. In the last 3 halving events that happened in the last 12 years, nobody cared about Bitcoin. Nobody cared about crypto. Really, truly, it was so small. Now, eyes are on Bitcoin and crypto. What's going to happen? We don't know. Period. Okay. Is that bad? No, that's just the reality. This is the reality of the world that we're living in right now, guys. Okay? Now, is this all doom and gloom? No, it's not. It's just, it is what it is. You're watching this video. You're here early. You're choosing to be here. So here's what you do. Don't sell assets, any crypto coins and tokens that you're not profitable in, period. Don't take a loss when you don't have to, unless you have to have that to put food on the table, to pay your rent, whatever. Please don't take a loss. I was talking to a friend of mine and he was asking me, hey, should I sell some of my, XRP or Shiba Inu? And I'm like, no, because he was in a loss. Now we were just discussing this, right? But he doesn't have to. It's my friend because, again, he has time. Because all of these assets are going to come back. And that's ultimately the narrative here. If you are willing to wait, the crypto market's going to come back bigger, better, badder, stronger. 3 trillion, 5, 6, 7, 8 trillion dollar market capitalization. We're at 1 trillion market capitalization right now. When Bitcoin goes to 100,000, 120,000, guess what's going to happen? Every single other crypto asset, coin, token, Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, I don't care, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, they're all going to go up in value. Okay? But we have to weather that storm. We have to weather the uncertainty that is out there and that is going to be here for a while. Period. End of story. So with that, remember, we're all in this boat together, and this boat is going to be fantastic at some point in time. Right now, we got rough waters. Crypto has more rough waters ahead of us, but we have good times ahead of us. Don't leave. Stay with us. See you later.